8 Healthy Eating Tips. These 8 practical guidelines address the fundamentals of healthy eating and can assist you in making better choices. 1. Meals should be heavy in fiber and starchy. Carbohydrates. Starchy carbs should account for somewhat more than 1/3 of your daily caloric intake. Potatoes, bread, rice, pasta, and cereals are among them. 2. Consume a lot of fruits and vegetables. It is advised that you consume at least 5 servings of a variety of fruits and vegetables every day. They can be fresh, frozen, canned, dried, or juiced. 3. Consume more fish, particularly oily fish. Fish is high in protein and provides a variety of vitamins and minerals. Omega-3 fats found in oily seafood may help reduce heart disease. 4. Reduce your intake of saturated fat and sugar. Saturated fat. You need some fat in your diet, but you must be mindful of the amount and kind of fat you consume. There are 2 forms of fat, saturated and unsaturated. Too much saturated fat can raise blood cholesterol levels, increasing your chance of getting heart disease. 5. Consume less salt. Adults should consume no more than 6 g each day. Excessive salt consumption can elevate blood pressure. High blood pressure increases the risk of developing heart disease or having a stroke. You may be consuming too much salt even if you don't add it to your diet. 6. Get moving and maintain a healthy weight. Regular exercise, in addition to eating correctly, may help minimize your chance of developing major health concerns. It is also beneficial to your general health and well-being. If you want to reduce weight, consider eating less and becoming more active. A healthy, balanced diet can assist you in maintaining a healthy weight. 7. Do not become thirsty. You must drink enough of water to avoid being dehydrated. The government recommended 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. This is in addition to the fluid obtained from eating. All non-alcoholic beverages count, although water, low-fat milk, and low-sugar beverages, such as tea and coffee, are better options. 8. Breakfast should not be skipped. Some people believe that skipping breakfast can help them lose weight. A nutritious breakfast high in fiber and low in fat, sugar, and salt, on the other hand, may be part of a balanced diet and help you acquire the nutrients you need for optimal health. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button to receive everything new.